Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade market insights with CNBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your market insights with CNBC, start by visiting the CNBC website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Markets tab located in the main navigation menu. Click on the Markets tab to access a variety of market-related information. Explore the different sections available, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. Select the Stocks section to get real-time updates on stock performance. You can filter stocks by sectors or view the market indices for a broader perspective. Next, use the search bar at the top right to find specific stocks or companies. After entering a stock symbol, you'll be directed to that company's dedicated page. Here, you can access detailed information including current price, market cap, and earnings reports. Scroll down to find recent news articles related to that stock for the latest updates. Additionally, CNBC often provides expert analysis and video segments for deeper insights. To enhance your understanding, check the charts section available for each stock. Use the various charting tools to analyze trends and historical performance. Now, explore the economic calendar section for upcoming earnings reports and economic indicators. This will help you anticipate market movements based on scheduled events. If you want personalized news, consider signing up for CNBC's newsletters. Navigate to the newsletters section to find options tailored to your interests. Finally, create a watch list by registering for a free CNBC account. This will allow you to track your favorite stocks and receive alerts about significant changes. By following these steps, you will effectively upgrade your market insights using CNBC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.